we've got the 7.3 Power Stroke 550, 7.3 with the 4R100, and today we're going to do the grill. Sounds pretty simple, but I couldn't really find any way to pull it off like a video of it, so it's going to be a really quick one today. There are 4 clips down here on the grill, and they just snap in. I just put a little bit of oil on them. But we're about to put it on, and there's only like 4 Phillips screws on the top. Pretty simple. So you take off the 4 Phillips screws on the top, and then when you come down here, you just actually grab the grill in one spot and just yank it. And it just yanks it out of these clips. And there's these little things on the back of the grill. They're just plastic. So when you go to put it in, you just line those 4 things back in and just kind of hammer them in there. So we're going to install it right now. So just kind of line those 4 clips up on the bottom. Get yourself a little view on kind of what those things look like. Just kind of place it in there. And when you feel like you're good, and you're going to get kind of lined up here, and line up your 4 clips and just kind of give it a little hit, and you'll hear them kind of crunch in there. So that's it. They just snapped in. So it's simple as that. Now you just put your little screws up here on the top, and you're done. So the way I did it is I just kind of reached right in here, and I just grabbed it and just popped it out like that. So yeah, so here we are getting the screws in. Nice little clip. Couple of screws in there. And your grill is done.